Yo, what's going on YouTube? Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's MILANO back with another video, but this video is a little bit different. So I've got into tattooing and things of that nature. So I'm going to show y'all pretty much what I'm going to be using, the machine I'm going to be using. I'm not a professional by any means. I'm just like infatuated with everything art. So sorry, man, I got ADHD, so y'all gonna see anything that involves art, which is from my clothing brand, being creative, being funny, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, you know, it's all me at the end of the day. But if y'all like this content more, I'll drop more content like this. But by any means, before I jump into the video, by any means, I am not a professional. I am a rookie. Alright, so I already shaved my whole arm because I plan on doing a sleeve. Y'all will see that soon, but right now I saved this right here, and I'm gonna give y'all a little cheat code of what I do. So I do have the transfer adhesive stick, but I use this organic deodorant stick. It sticks very well, and I noticed with the stencil, it sticks on for a long time. Like, I didn't wash my hands. I remember putting the stencil on just for a whole day to see how a tattoo would look, and yeah, it stayed on for about a day and a half with like washing my hands and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this to put this tattoo stencil here, and then I'm gonna get back into the video. All right, so stencil is placed, as y'all can see. I'm just going to be using I was told as a beginner you should never use this liner to start with because lines can be shaky if you're not a professional, in which I'm not a professional. So my lines are not going to be consistently looking, you know what I'm saying, precise. But I do have my ink caps right here. I'm going to be pouring the ink, putting the needle in. Yes, I did sanitize my arm off the camera, which I should have did on the camera, so you guys get into that routine of making sure everything is sanitized and clean. My solution is right here as well. So yeah, let me just get into it. And yes, I should have two pairs of hands, two gloves on, but I'm just working on this hand, so that's the reason why I got this glove. So yeah, let me put the ink in right now. Let's get started.
started, can you switch it up?
All right, so that's gonna almost wrap up the video. As y'all can see, the TEMU needle gun works. It's not the best, but I feel like it's the person behind the machine. Most majority of the time, it's the person behind the machine. Like if you got the prep work and everything initially put together, you got that down pack. You may excel or succeed. You know what I'm saying? This is like, so this is my first tattoo I made. This is the second, this is the third, and this is my fourth one. So as y'all can see, it's progress. I still have to shade this one in. I'm waiting on my other needles to come in, but when the needles come in, I'm gonna finish shading this in. Then I'm gonna head to my other tattoo, and then after that, I'm gonna make the brick wall for the sleeve. So be looking forward towards that in the upcoming videos. And yeah, if you feel like you capable of being a tattoo artist and you got this down pat and you want to take that risk, take it. I want to say I'm not by any means a professional, so do it at your own risk and keep creating art. I'll see y'all next time. Let me wrap up this tattoo. That's it.